Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of Gmail automation series, and today we'll be talking about how to handle the error in the production level. So as we have three different workflows in the Gmail automation series, so this one will be about how we can handle if there is any error happen. For example, there could be the API limitation or anything can happen in the production level, so we need to get notified instantly so that we can fix it, because every time we cannot just go and check the workflows whether it is working properly or not. So that's why it's very important to use the error handler so that we can get the instant notification and fix it. So let's try to see visually how it works. Okay, so let's say in my third Gmail automation workflow, if there is any error happen, it will instantly get notified by this error handler and then send notification to my Telegram, to the Google Sheet, and also the Slack. So in the Google Sheet, I have few different options here: title, issue type, it can be technical or maybe any other issues, and then issue, and also probable solution, because whenever issue happen, if we just go to Google Sheet, we can see every details, so we know easily what's the problem and how to solve it. Maybe and the team also knows, okay, their issue happened, and the team can inform the technical person to fix the issue. So let's try to run the workflow and see how it works. We will remove the Gemini model here. This is the sub fallback model. Okay, let's try to detach the fallback model here so we can test it. But normally in production level it will run smoothly, but if there is anything happen, the error workflow will trigger it. It will show the error here. So let's make it public, and then let's make the get 10 seconds, it's fine. Okay, let's now wait and see how this two works. Okay, it's running. That means the error already happened. Here it will show an error, obviously, and if I see my Google Sheet, see the error happen. So every 10 seconds it will run automatically, so we have to unpublish. Okay, and now let's try to see the Google. You see it's already run 2 times. So missing and disable fallback model. The title is the same, technical issue, because the sub model is detached here. That's why it mentioned like missing or disable sub model, fallback model. And also it mentioned the issue, the workflow execution failed because the required fallback model sub node is either not connected or not enabled in the agent node configuration. And the solution is like verify agent node configuration, ensure that the fallback model. That means we got the probable solution and we know the issue and also whether it is technical or not. So the team can ask the technical person to fix the issue as soon as it is notified. And even in the Slack, as you can see, the message is there, the missing disabled fallback, and also it send some messages via Telegram. So that means it's very helpful to know when the error happens so that it can be fixed instantly. So that's all, and hope this Gmail automation series very helpful for you, and let me know if there is any workflows that you want to see in the future.